Hey guys, welcome back. I'm washing my sheets, so forgive the bed. I'm going to switch to this Dooney and Burke purse here for September. Going to switch to this one. I'm also going to switch to a Dooney and Burke wallet. I need to get another Dooney and Burke wallet. I think I only have like two, but I love, love, love this wallet. I'm going to switch to that. I got this off of, if you in my Amazon affiliate link, if you follow my Amazon affiliate link, this is on there, and it's just like a little bag. There's a strap on the inside for this, but just like a little tote bag. This is where I'm going to put my personal items out of the other bag. I might change this because this is pink. I'm not going to use this purse charm because it's pink, but we are in the fall, and I am going to change my pocket back to this pocket back, okay? So let's get ready to empty out our bag. If you guys remember, I was carrying the Michael Kors bag with the Labubu and the cooler one. I'm going to take that out. We're going to get into this mess, okay? We're going to get into this mess. So I have these two bags, but I am going to try to combine them into that one bag that I showed y'all, or this one only has lippies in it. So I think I'm going to try to combine this definitely into a smaller bag and take out some of the lippies. That's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to get all my receipts together so I can do the receipt app to get some points. This is just proof that I need to stay out the store. It's not my fault, y'all. It is not my fault. So we're going to get our receipts over here to the side. I have a brush, medicine. I have my little penguin wallet that has my other cards in it. I have cinnamon, which this needs to go in my wallet. If you don't know about keeping cinnamon in your wallet, Google it, YouTube it, or look it up. I have some money that should have been in this wallet that I was carrying. So I really enjoyed having a purse charm on this wallet. So can I put one on here? I think I can. Well, I'm going to see if I can put one on the Dooney and Burke wallet, because I really did enjoy having that purse charm on there. I have some tea that needs to go in my kitchen. I actually threw that in my purse. I keep tea at work, but I threw that in my purse because I wanted to bring one home. I have a straw. I recently bought this from TJ Maxx, and I only bought it because it has the keychain, y'all. Ain't that bad? I only bought it because it has the keychain, but we're going to get it together. Lotion. Don't ask. I had my glam baby in church by myself last Sunday, and I thought she was gonna want a snack. Oh, did it open? I think it opened. I'm gonna take these out and put them in a Ziploc bag for next Sunday. She didn't want the snack because I had stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, and she had 3 munchkins before church, and I think that's what kept her from wanting a snack. All right, here are my pens and some more straws. And I actually had pens in the front of here too for like easy access. So I'm gonna pull those out. It wasn't that easy, huh? The easy access, but baby, once this purse got full, it wasn't easy. So here's some more pens, and this is just praying oil. But sometimes I have to douse y'all and douse myself. I have 2 ponytail holders. And your girl, let me show y'all, has changed. And I think I'm just going to pour that. You know what? I'm going to pour it on this, in this, so I can pour it right in my jug. Because that's a lot of change. All right, so we have the purse completely empty, and we're going to empty out the zipper part. And I'm not going to show too much of the zipper part because I have gift cards. I have a phone charger in here, my journal, gum. Oh, I found some more money. Gum. Oh my gosh. More pens. I got to get it together, y'all. My AirPods. I have some more change. I call myself, I need to find a change purse to keep on the outside of my purse. Because that's what I was trying to do with the last one. So, hold on, y'all. Let me find a change pouch that matches, because this doesn't match that bag. Hold on, y'all. Alright, we're going to see, guys. Maybe this. Maybe I can have this for easy access to drop change in when they give me change back from the store. We're going to see. So, let me get everything organized. Clean up all this mess. And I'll show y'all. Empty out some stuff so I can show y'all the end results. Because I got to change out my wallet. And then I'll show y'all. Alright guys, let's figure it out. I got the wallet done. I'm going to find a little charm to go on the wallet. So let me see. I found this. And I don't know if it's going to go on the Dooney. Because Dooney doesn't really give me... Dooney doesn't really give me the little straps, the little buckles that I need to put this on their bag. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm going to be able to use this. Let's see. Oh, Lord, this is a mess. What happened to the hand sanitizer, y'all? Ugh, we'll find it in the mess. All right, y'all, let's figure it out. I wanted to put this on the front of the bag, but whatever. All right. The wallet is done, so I'm going to put the wallet in here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put the lotion in here. And I am going to put the praying oil next to the lotion. So we're going to do, we are not doing all of this. I know I need to clean my glasses. All right, y'all. We are going to, jeez Louise. We're going to do it. We're going to try to use, let's go to two lip liners. We need lip balm. Actually, I can hang, I don't know if I want to hang this on here. I'm going to hang it on here for a minute and see how I like it. I'm going to hang this lipstick on my wallet for a minute. I don't know. But I know I need a pen. And I know I need a stylus. We know that's unavoidable. Okay? We know we need a lipstick, a lip balm, and a lip gloss. Period. Period. Always take some hauls because you never know when you're about to come down with something. I'm going to put that in the change pouch. And I am going to clip the change pouch on the outside of the purse because when I'm at the store, I want to be able to... How does this open? I am struggling with opening stuff today. Does this not? It has to open. Well... maybe it don't. Alright. You know what we're going to do? Dooney gives us a clip. And we're going to use the clip. Thank you, Dooney. Because I don't know why that's not opening. Okay. Sanitizer needs to be within reach. See, Dooney don't give you... they make their stuff so thick that they don't make it easy. They're not the bag you can easily hang a purse charm on. You know what I'm saying? They don't make it easy. I'll figure out this. I'm not going to hold y'all up. All right. So, the stuff that goes in the zipper part, let's get that in the zipper part. Okay. The stuff that goes in the zipper part is in the zipper part. And my AirPods. And the cone. All right. Okay. We're going to see, y'all. We're going to see. We definitely need this. We already put pins in there. None of this is going back in there. We definitely need the eyeglass thing. The cinnamon. These are like extra rings. I like to have rings on my knuckles parts. So I have them in here. So let's just see what we're working with. Let's just see what we're working with. Let's open this. I am not going to use the strap that comes with it. I'm not going to use the strap that comes with it. Okay. All right. So in here here's another lip balm that I want out. I have earrings. I'm going to put emergency lady items. I don't know why I had extra cards in here instead of in the duck. I need to put these in the duck. Okay. Extra lady items. A mirror. My rings. Perfume. Nail glue. Eyeglass cleaner. Straw. Pills. Pooper duper. Oh, just dropped that on the floor. Pooper duper. That's what we're going to put in there. You know what? We'll put our cinnamon in there too. I'll figure that out later. Okay. Emergency pouch is pouching. I love this little pouch. Alright, I'm going to get my penguin. And I'm going to put these other cards in here for now. Until I can go through them. And see why I had them separated. Okay. Straws. Somebody has to text when I'm doing a video. Never fails. I gotta figure out what to do with the, I'm gonna find a way to get this clipped on to this purse. So let's move all this unnecessary stuff out the way. I need my candy and my brush. Everything else, I'm gonna put up. All right. So this is what we're looking like. This stuff in this zipper part, it has to go in the zipper part, but I now see that the zipper part is what makes my bag. I don't need two things of gum. That's very puffy. All right, so the struggle, y'all, trying to downsize. The wallet, the brush, the candy. This side. And on this side, we have the lippies and the pen. Then it gives us this flap here. The lippies and the pen, and then I have my lotion and the oil there. So I just need to get this hooked on. What if I pull? Oh, nope, it's sewed together. All right, y'all, we're going to throw this in the bag, but we're going to figure out how to get it hooked on. We're going to figure out how to get it hooked on, y'all. I don't know. I got a mess to clean up. So let me go clean up this mess. Any ideas about the bag or whatever, y'all, holler at me. Whatever ideas y'all got, go ahead on and holler at me.